why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this orangey reddish fire look. So if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. To start off, I went in with the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation in the shade Natural Ivory, and I buffed that into my skin using the AOA F4 brush.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
Next, I went in with the lightest shade of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is the first time I tried it. It is the shade 5 Ivory. It is a little lighter than I expected, but I mean, it did work out in the end.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me?
To set that all into place, I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Classic Ivory, and I used a BS Small tapered face brush for under the eyes, and then a BS Small angled face brush for the rest of my face.
Why, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
To bronze up my skin, I went in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight on a fluffy angled face brush. Then to define my cheekbones, I went in with the Essence Contour Palette in the shade Ready Set Peach on a crown brush. Then for blush, I went in with the Jordana blush in the shade Sweet Honey on my favorite Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush. And then I actually forgot to show my highlighter, but I went in with the Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter on a Wet n Wild Unicorn highlighting brush to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words.
Now I realized my camera hadn't been recording, so I went in with the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in the shade Marmalade, and then I had put that into my crease and I had ran it along my lower lashes, so I'm just showing you that here. Then I went in with Coastal Scents Volcanic Blast on the same Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro crease brush and popped that into my crease as well.
Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me?
I also ran that color along my lower lashes.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do...
And then apparently I was just having one of those days where I forgot to record me applying this as well, but I went in with the Morphe 3502 palette in the shade Fire, so I'm showing you right here that I just put it on the outer and inner corners of my eyes, along with on my lower lashes.
the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Then I went in with the shade Pure from the same palette, and I used my finger to pop that onto the center of my lids. I dipped back into Fire once again to help blend those edges together. And then I took Pure on a pencil brush and I highlighted my inner corners. To coat my top and lower lashes, I went in with the Essence Volume Stylist mascara.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come.
And then finally for lips, I went in with the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipstick in the shade Tiramisu.
Easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do
And that completes this look. I know this is a little shorter than what I normally do, but I was just having one of those days. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
Baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I?